So work's done for the day. We're off to North Fambridge, which is about 40 minutes from where I live. We're going to go and check out and see if we can get the barn owl. Hopefully we'll get a good picture of it. That's what you get for being smug. Luckily nothing's broken and we're on our way.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds of breathing.
What am I following here?
Can make me.
The short ride to Farmbridge was really simple, so I'll definitely be frequenting this place more often. It doesn't look like there's loads of people here, so it should be a good day. Blue House Farm Nature Reserve is in North Fambridge in Essex and spans over 243 hectares of stunning English countryside. It has 3 bird hides you can visit and a long walk along the sea wall. It really is a beautiful place, with big skies and long walks. It's a gorgeous evening, so I'm going to walk down to Hide 1 and see what's out on the marsh. Hide 1 looks like something out of Tolkien's world. We'll head in and see if we can find anything precious on the marsh.
The dead marshes. Yes, that is their name.
Slight exaggeration, I think. So I think out the front here we've got a few sandpipers, I think. I'm just going to take a few pictures of these, and there's other things here as well, but I'm too excited. They're all quite close, so let's see what we can get. Sandpipers are fairly common in the UK, but they're lovely to watch. So I'll compose my shot and take the snap. Don't laugh at these. I've got new ones on the Christmas list.
Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas! Ho, 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 ho.
There's a few wading birds out the front, but not loads, so I'm going to move on to Hide 2. There's a bit more choice here. Lots of starlings, shelduck, sandpipers, and of course the grey herons, which I've got to photograph. It's getting late, and I need to move on and check out where Barney is. So I'm on my way now to the first owl box, which is about 300 metres from the car park, and hopefully we'll get to see Barney come out. Apparently there's 3 chicks in there. We've had some rain over the last couple of days and some thunder, so maybe they didn't have the opportunity to hunt then, so they've got to be starving, hopefully. So let's hope they come out and play. So I get myself set up and get comfortable. It's going to be a long wait. The evening's closing in really quick now, and we're losing light. I think I'm going to call it a day. Blue House Farm Nature Reserve is a special place, and one that I'll be coming back to probably tomorrow. I'll give you a clue why I'm coming back.